you've been in this industry for 30 plus years. Tell us what are some of the biggest mistakes you see people making in this industry for managing their inventory?
I believe the core mistake of it is not understanding the value that managing your MRO appropriately and properly is so advantageous to the bottom line. That's what I truly believe. And to do that, the biggest mistake that I've seen is under-trained personnel in your MRO. And it's not their fault. It's just that we will send maintenance technicians or we will give our people, other than our MRO storeroom people, a plethora of training options. MRO is basically, people are basically on their own to do whatever they want. And to me, that's the largest mistake. And that's where the gap that we need to fill is utilizing our storeroom people's skills and enhancing those skills to achieve better results.